What's up, guys? Quick little update. I have the stroker kit in. I've been working like crazy, but I have the new milling oil pump on with the purple spring in. Got timing on. Got the crank assembly in. Oil pans on. It's board 30 over already. New pistons in. So the timing plate covers off at powder coat, and I'm gonna get the oil pan powder coated. I think I'm gonna pull it off and get it powder coated. I might do the water pump also. Next thing on the list is order some heads. So once I get them heads in, I'll do another update video. This is just a quick little post. Want to show you guys where I'm at. But the bottom end's pretty much all done. Just gotta button up the cover, put the sensors back in it, and the bottom end is finally finished, guys. The machine shop ended up charging me a little over $1,000 for well, and that was because he had to order new bearings. The main bearings I ordered were too tight, so we needed an extra thousandths on tolerance. So we went ahead and ordered extra thousandths tolerance main bearings. We got that problem fixed. Other than that, man, it went in like a dream. Didn't have any issues with it, and I couldn't be happier. Everything's looking good so far, guys. Stay tuned.